This all made Tricky look like a bloated sausage. He became very lazy. Now, because Tricky was not given a proper diet, actually Mrs. Pomfrey, he was feeding those things to Tricky which were not really healthy and good for him. But she thought that providing him with pastries and cakes and whatever, like Horlicks, cod liver oil and other things she was giving to Tricky, that will be useful for him, that was actually making him sick, because the dogs also need to have a proper diet. But when he was given all this food, he started looking like a bloated sausage. Now, sausage is a non-vegetarian dish in Western countries. Nowadays, people consume this in our country also, and which means it's a minced meat which is filled in a casket. Now, he was not looking proper, the shape and size. From that only one can find out that he was not in a proper health. He was not feeling good. He was not in a good health, or you can say in a good shape. ट्रिकी जो था वो बीमार हो रहा था क्योंकि मिसेस पॉम्फ्रे उसको वो सब चीज़ें देती थी जो उसके लिए उसको ज़रूरत नहीं थी उन चीज़ों की. ओके. He became uninterested in things and he kept lying all day on the carpet. अब क्योंकि मिसेस पॉम्फ्रे उसको इतना ज़्यादा ओवरफेड करती थी, उसको हर समय इन सब चीज़ों को खाने को देती थी, पीने को देती थी, तो वो बहुत ज़्यादा लेज़ी हो गया. He became uninterested in things. और हर समय वे घर के कारपेट पे एक कोने में लेटा रहता. एंड समटाइम्स ही यूज टू बाउट वॉमिट्स. और कभी कभी वो थोड़ी थोड़ी वॉमिट कभी कभी घर में कहीं कहीं करता रहता, बिकॉज his digestive system and his inner functions were not proper because of not proper food habits. Mrs. Pomfrey thought that he was seriously ill. She called Mr. James Harriet, who was a vet surgeon. And now Mrs. Pomfrey, she called James Harriet, the author of this story, James Harriet, who was a veterinary surgeon. Mr. Harriet had already expected this to happen, as he knew that Tricky was suffering from overeating. और मिस्टर हैरियट को ये बात उसे देखते ही समझ आ गई कि ट्रिकी का बीमार होने का जो कारण है वो है ओवर ईटिंग, ज़रूरत से ज़्यादा गलत चीज़ें खा लेना. He had already made his plans, and he took a firm line and said that Tricky must be admitted in the hospital for a fortnight. And because he was a doctor, he suggested Mrs. Pomfrey कि अगर आप चाहते हैं कि ट्रिकी ठीक हो, if you want that he must recover, he must remain healthy, he must not be ill, तो आपको उसे एडमिट कराना पड़ेगा मेरे हॉस्पिटल में. He must be admitted in the hospital. This suggestion made Mrs. Pomfrey almost swoon, and she thought that Tricky could not live even a single day without seeing his mistress. और जब मिस्टर हैरियट ने ये सजेशन दिया तो मिसेस पॉम्फ्रे बहुत दुखी हुई. शी बिकेम वेरी सून बिकॉज शी वॉज हैबिचुअल ऑफ ट्रिकी, एंड इवन ट्रिकी ही couldn't live without seeing Mrs. Pomfrey for a single day. So she thought that what would happen. And now what happens is that Mr. Harriet, he wraps him in a blanket. But because Mr. Harriet was given the supervision, he was given the idea that Tricky was not well. So Mr. Harriet, being a doctor, it was his responsibility कि वो उसको treat करे, उसका इलाज करे. So he wrapped Tricky in a blanket and took him out of the house and put him in his car. And he took Tricky to his surgery. The departure of Tricky was very pathetic. All the house was aroused. But when Tricky was leaving Mrs. Pomfrey's house, everyone, all the servants in the house, maids, and the people who used to look after him, and Mrs. Pomfrey herself, they were very upset. They were really worried about Tricky. The maids were putting Tricky's things in the car, and everyone was in tears. The doctor took the dog away in his car to the surgery. And there were different kind of dresses for Tricky. For those things were kept for Tricky in doctor's car, so that at the surgery also he will not face any problem. Tricky का जो भी सामान था वो उनकी मेड्स ने डॉक्टर की कार में रखा ताकि ट्रिकी को किसी भी तरह की परेशानी डॉक्टर के हॉस्पिटल में ना हो. When Harriet reached his home, the household dogs surrounded him, and they sniffled Tricky and showed no interest in him. Now obviously when Mr. Harriet took Tricky होम, जब वो उसको अपनी सर्जरी में लेके गए यानी हॉस्पिटल ले गए, तो वहाँ और भी डॉग्स थे, उन्होंने जाकर ट्रिकी को सूंघा. You must have seen the dogs. What they do is they try to sniffle, they try to find out who is this person or who is the stranger. So they did the same thing with Tricky, और उन्होंने जाके उसको एनालाइज किया, but they showed no interest in him. उन्हें ट्रिकी में कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं था. Till 2 days, Harriet did not give him anything to eat. And Mr. Harriet started his treatment. He totally stopped giving anything to Tricky. उसे 2 दिन तक उसने कोई खाना नहीं दिया.